Most of us have learned from notebooks that the Earth is the only known planet with seas of liquid water on its surface. Seen from space, our planet appears as a blue marble of its various forms: oceans, ice caps, clouds. Earth's 1,335,000,000 cubic kilometers of sea cover more than 70% of its surface. The sea's dominance of the planet is such that the British author, Arthur C. Clarke, once noted that Earth would have been better named Ocean. The earliest inhabitants on Earth are marine organisms, and it is said that even terrestrials are evolved from some of them, which illustrates that ocean is a miraculous existence, without which there will be hardly any creatures on Earth. Thus, seas and people are tightly bound by nature. In ancient times, human beings had gradually learned and grasped the skills from picking wild fruits, hunting animals, and fishing for food, since they had few choices then. As time goes by, human beings experienced a lot from those times when they suffer from lack of food, to the times when general life standard was improved and people had sufficient food to eat. Nowadays, we have much better life quality with much various kinds of food, drinking, etc. to have, and meanwhile the problem of overweight and other health challenges starts to overcast people. Consequently, people start to pay much more attention on their diets. Gone are the days when fats were held as the root cause of some chronic diseases. Research has proved that there are fats that are actually good for our health and essential for proper functioning of the body. These are unsaturated fats, or more precisely, polyunsaturated fats, like omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9, that helps in proper functioning of the skin, immune system, nervous system, respiratory system, and circulatory system. Our bodies don't have the enzymes to produce omega-3 or omega-6 fatty acids. Therefore, we must get them from the diet. Deficiency of these acids causes diseases. This is why they are termed the essential fatty acids. Omega-9, however, is not truly an essential fatty acid. Our body can synthesize it out of other fatty acids, but it is only possible when the other omega fats are present. Omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids are different from most other fats. They are not simply stored and used for energy. They are biologically active and are carrying out many physiological functions. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation in the body and help prevent heart disease by lowering cholesterol and high blood pressure. Omega-6, also known as linoleic acid, is beneficial for nervous system growth and development and skin repair, and it may prevent heart disease when eaten in moderation. Omega-9, also known as oleic acid, aids in protecting vascular system and improving immunity. Deficiency of these essential fatty acids firstly causes brain dysfunction because our brain needs a constant supply of essential fatty acids throughout our life. Susceptibility to allergies, skin problems, and joint pain is also common among people with essential fatty acids deficiency. American Heart Association suggests that human beings evolved on a diet with a ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 essential fatty acids of approximately 1, whereas in Western diets, the ratio is 15:1 to 16.7:1. Western diets are deficient in omega-3 fatty acids and have excessive amounts of omega-6 fatty acids compared with the diet on which human beings evolved, and their genetic patterns were thus established. How to balance the omega-3 to omega-6 ratio is the new health challenge for us. One way to guarantee sufficient omega-3 intake is to eat high-quality oily fish, such as wild salmon, trout, tuna, and herring, at least twice in a week. Not fried, of course. Plus, eat some flaxseed, chia seed, and walnut every day would help. Can't get all those food? You're not alone. Let's make a switch to Green World Deep Sea Fish Oil Capsule made from deep sea fish. since studies shows that marine and freshwater fish oil vary in contents of arachidonic acid, EPA and DHA. By taking Green World Deep Sea Fish Oil Capsule on a daily basis, you can get the whole family of omega fatty acids, among which are the two most nutritionally important omega-3 fatty acids. Eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. EPA plays an important role in the prevention of cardiovascular disease, while DHA is necessary for proper brain and nerve development. Green World Deep Sea Fish Oil Capsule will help you cultivate many health benefits as follows. 1. Keeps your cells healthy. There are around 60 trillion cells in our body. To perform normal cell functions optimally, the cell membrane must maintain its integrity and fluidity. Cells without a healthy membrane lose their ability to hold water and vital nutrients. Because cell membranes are made up of fat, the integrity and fluidity of our cell membranes is determined in large part by the type of fat we eat. Nutritionists suggest that diet containing large amounts of saturated or hydrogenated fats makes cell membranes rigid and lack fluidity. On the other hand, diet rich in omega-3 fats produce cell membranes with a high degree of fluidity. 2. Comforts your joints. Inflammation is a body's natural reaction stimulated by triggering factors such as injury, infection, allergens, and chronic disease. When our body is under attack, cellular reaction occurs resulting in redness, swelling, and pain in the tissue. If this gets out of control, the inflammation can damage tissues and hinder the body's repair mechanisms. Chronic inflammation is implicated in a large number of systemic disorders, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and neurodegeneration. Conventional treatment of inflammatory conditions typically involves the use of nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Each year, the side effects of nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drug cause more hospitalizations and death than the diseases themselves. Are there alternatives? The answer is yes. Green World Deep Sea Fish Oil Capsule possesses a natural and powerful ability to modulate key inflammatory mediators so that to counteract chronic inflammation. 3. Protects your heart. Inuit Eskimos, who eat high amounts of omega-3 fatty acids from eating fatty fish, have increased HDL, the good cholesterol, and decreased triglycerides, fats in the blood, and lowest heart diseases. Clinical evidence suggests that EPA and DHA help reduce risk factors for heart disease, including high cholesterol and high blood pressure. Taking Green World Deep Sea Fish Oil Capsule helps protect against stroke caused by plaque buildup and blood clots in the arteries that lead to the major organs, therefore protects your brain and heart. 4. Helps people with diabetes. People with diabetes often have high triglyceride and low HDL levels. Omega-3 fatty acids from Deep Sea Fish Oil Capsule can help lower triglyceride and apoproteins, markers of diabetes, and raise HDL. ALA, another type of omega-3 fatty acid from plant source, may not have the same benefit as deep sea fish oil. Some people with diabetes can't efficiently convert ALA to EPA and DHA. Supplementing from deep sea fish oil is essential for those who have type 2 diabetes. You may check your diet now to see if you eat much fried dishes and highly processed food instead of fatty fish, nuts, and seeds. If that's the case, it is suggested that you switch to omega-3 supplement for the health's sake. If you are using painkillers for the joint problem, it would be wise for you to take this deep sea fish oil in order to prevent the high possibility of hospitalization due to the side effects of NAID. If you long for healthy brain and heart, make sure that you take Green World Deep Sea Fish Oil Capsule every day. As a matter of fact, after taking this product, you can even find the wrinkled skin is smoothed. Green World Deep Sea Fish Oil Capsule.